There are some features that the Tecno Camon 16 Premier had that are lacking in the Tecno Camon 16s. These features are wide angle photography mode. You can see we only have macro photography over here. The other thing is 100 mode. This is where the top navigation button could be lowered simply by just dragging on the screen like this. The other two features lacking are slow motion and super night photography. This is the Tecno Camon 16s autofocus test. Just look at that. It's amazing. Another item. I'm not even touching the phone. This autofocus is crazy. I am now recording in a very dark room, and the only light you can see over here is light coming from the Tecno Camon 16s. The autofocus also works wonderfully. So what you can see right now is what I can see on the Tecno Camon 16s. Now if I scroll my finger on the left side of the screen up and down, I can actually control the brightness of the dual LEDs at the front over here. I'm recording this in a very dark room. You can see that it's brighter and it's lower. So now I'm recording using the front camera. This camera can also record in 1080p, and the quality you can see over here, it is acceptable to me. I don't expect this light to fill up a whole room, but if it can light my face and the wall behind me, this wall is not that far away, then this is acceptable. So what I want to test for you right now is the macro camera. This is a normal 1x zoom photo, and I want to zoom in onto this I see over here. You can see it's not clear, so I'm going to enable the macro camera, and indeed you can even read the details on the IC over here. That's the power of the Tecno Camon 16s macro camera. It can take very detailed photos at a distance of about 4 centimeters.